All right. Yeah. Right, Peepa?
Yeah.
Ooh, careful, careful. We gotta let people know. Okay, go ahead. You're good. You're good.
Move on to the other pile.
Got there, folks.
Steve, put your hands.
I told you.
Oh.
With sparkles. Steve,
Ooh,
move.
look at that. Awesome. Next. What's in here? What's in here? What's in this one? Careful, careful. This one's the one that's black. A ballerina ornament. Cool.
Very nice.
Careful, it's breakable, okay? So go gentle. You gonna put it on the tree? Do you need help? Put it right on her tree. And then you can take it home and put it on your tree when you go home, okay? It's special for your tree, okay? Good there?
Yeah. What happened to the Cowboys ornament?
Oh.
You just noticed that?
Probably where it's supposed to be. Yeah, I know, I didn't even notice.
Isabella.
Daddy's being sneaky.
Skate butt.